Okay, 1 minute left. Jeez, it's so windy out there. You can see it's so bright though. Look, this is really bright. Oh, I need to keep it. Oh! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy crap! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh! Holy shit! Try over here! Over here! Oh! Woo! Speed! S-N-Y! New Year, everyone! Woo! Woo! See, it looks like it's a shooting star. But oh my! Woo! You can see the one. I see someone just trying to put a firework up. Hold on. Okay, ready for the pop. Woo! An angle though. Whoa! Woo! I can see someone just putting it. Whoa! Oh yeah, that's the Germans. Here's like, see that guy just setting up the fireworks. Three, two, wait for it. Yeah, wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa! Oh, it dropped on my freaking floor. Oh! Smoke everywhere. Okay, right? Yeah, oh my god! I see someone's fireworks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2. Oh, it's not even popping. Alright, it's not even popping. Why though? See some of that guy over there? This is my neighborhood. This is Charlie. 3, 2. Whoa! Oh. Dude, the smoke is I see it right there. Good. Oh my god! It now pops in our neighbor house. Dude, the smoke just really went to my house right now. It's not even possible. Whoa! 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 Dave! Okay. Oh! You see that guy over there? Okay, this is getting.
Okay.
Okay, smokes. I can smell smokes. Oh. Smoke. Smoke. Smoke everywhere. They're freaking everywhere in my sight. You know what? I'm gonna go. You're gonna sit there. Oh, okay. Whoa! I can see that. Okay. You can hear it right there. See. Bye. Something I can hear. It was a fire. I think I hear the fire flew up. You can see it's like a speck of stars. You see, it's a bunch of stars up there. You can see that. Oh yeah, it went far up there. How nice. And there's a guy popping in. Uh-oh. Daddy. I'm gonna close my ears. What did I put in? Wait, what is he doing? Oh. Oh, okay. They were all good. Holy shit. The fire really went that way. That guy just freaking drone. He threw it in there. Is this gonna pop? I don't know. Oh, man. Whoa, okay. Holy shit. I can do something. God. Here's another neighbor houses. Let's get out. You can hear that the ambience of the fireworks, but you cannot see them. So I hope you guys enjoy my fireworks video.